Many projects last longer than the number of weeks displayed in a Gantt chart. Most spreadsheets only print what is currently visible. Although you may be able to scroll the chart to change the range of dates currently visible, if you would like to print a larger range of dates at one time, you can extend the timeline by adding more weeks to the right of the chart. You need to select all 7 columns that make up this last week of the Gantt chart. The easiest way to do this is to select the date cell that is under the week number and above the days. Then press Ctrl spacebar on the keyboard, and this will select all of the columns in that week. If you're more comfortable using a mouse, you can zoom in until you can tell that you are selecting the right columns. Double check that you have selected all 7 columns in the last week of the Gantt chart. Then, slowly move your mouse around the top right corner of your selection, looking for the fill handle. You'll know you have it when your cursor turns into a black plus sign. When you see the plus sign, click and drag to the right. When you let go, you will have an extra week at the end of your Gantt chart. You can add more than 1 week at a time by dragging the fill handle farther to the right. And you can repeat this process as many times as you like until the schedule is long enough for your project. In some versions of the Gantt chart, the print area will need to be redefined if you add columns to the right. To update the print area, select all the rows that you want to print. Then go to Page Layout, Print Area, and select Set Print Area. Then when you print, it will include the new columns that you added. For more tips and tricks with the Gantt chart, visit vertex42.com.